Word.
Jrrrrr, they can't see you. Say it again.
Word.
I lied.
Go!
Oh! That was the shortest light ever.
Ever.
Wait.
Ever.
Okay.
Ever.
Let's try it again. Oh God. Go! I can't even get going fast. Frick. Shoot, Forbidden 5. Sorry, Doug. I said one of the Forbidden 5. I said beep. I see. I'm not going to repeat it again.
You said the F word.
F-R-I.
No, you said the F word.
F-R-I. Frike. I said frike. I'm so scared. There's a blinding light from my video camera in my face.
Ah! Oh, whoa.
What?
You almost hit me.
You almost ran into me.
Can you please quit?
Jrrrrr!
Please quit texting and driving. Thank you.
What? Some white cars following us. There they are again. Following and following. Following us. Jrrrrr, why are you laughing?
That's funny.
Again, it stopped. We may not make it home. Mom, I love you. Oh! Don't lie to me. Again! They keep driving by us. Jrrrrr! Stop freaking out. We're gonna make it home. Ah! Jrrrrr! He's freaking out. He's starting to speed up, and then he brakes. And then he speeds up again and brakes. Now it's a black car. Jrrrrr, come on. Let's make it home. At least for one more cherry Coke. Jrrrrr, one more Coke for the road.
One more what?
Cherry Coke.
Yes. Cherry Coke.
Del Taco. I see it in the horizon. We're approaching. The light's red. Will we make it across the street? I don't know. Worried? Yeah, I'm worried. Jrrrrr, you worried?
Yep. Ah!
Jrrrrr, calm down.
That's the second time I almost hit you.
Say that again?
Brady just farted.
Jrrrr, we're being filmed.
Oh.
Documentary. Go! Ah!
Oh, we're gonna miss it.
No! These lights are short, man! Alright, Del Taco. You gotta see. Oh, God, it's a cop.
I thought I tried to play cool.
It was a cop.
Play cool.
Jrrrr, you playing cool?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, hang on, me too. Oh. Am I doing it?
Would you?
Do it again. You don't look closer. Okay, here's the bump. Jrrrr, speed up for the bump.
The bomb!
Car. Woo! Woo! You went to Mexico?
Yeah, Mexico. You know, there's our bikes down there. Yeah, hardcore.
Wait, New Mexico?
No. Mexico.
So regular Mexico.
Regular Mexico.
Oh. I thought you would have gone to the newer one because it's new.
No. You like the old one. Dog.
Dog, Harry. Jrrrr called it dog. I said Jrrrr. I said you called it.
Got him. Hey, it's like A-Rock.
No. Alright. We've almost made it. That was a lame bump. What's your?
I don't even know. That light is brown. Oh no. It's making me swerve all sorts of crazy.
What?
It's making you swerve. Oh, wow, ow, ow.
Look at my shadow. Can you see it? No, not really. Anyways, Jrrrrr and I are about to depart ways. Me to my mobile home estate park. Okay, fine. Regular mobile home.
Down by the cops.
We did.
Make that known.
It's because we have lights we didn't get stopped. See light?
Yeah,
Where's your back light?
light.
You got back light, front light,
Backlight, there it is.
back light. See. Alright, Jrrrr. What are you doing? Just stop. It's a red light. Alright, Jrrrr. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.